Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Jio Phone next and going straight to the home screen. This saves time. Long press a blank area until edit mode appears. This is where Widgets live. Make sure the app that provides the widget has permissions and is installed, because without access, the widget won't populate. Once done, tap Widgets to view choices. You'll see small previews so you can pick one that fits your layout and needs. Next, scroll through the widget list and look for the app you need. Sizes are labeled, so choose 1x1, 2x1, or larger depending on info density. Tap and hold the widget, then drag it to the home position you prefer. This gives quick access without opening the app. If your launcher supports resizing or stacking, adjust the widget so it shows the right amount of content. This optimizes space and keeps the screen readable while updating in real time. Finally, tap the widget to configure any settings, such as accounts, update interval, or shortcuts. This ensures it displays the data you want. If the widget doesn't update or shows blank content, remove it and re-add. Often that reinitializes permissions and refresh tokens. If problems persist, restart the phone or clear the app cache in settings, because corrupted cache or stalled services commonly block widget updates. This usually fixes the issue and gets widgets working reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.